So we shall continue the same chapters, multiple by t form and divisible by t form in Laplace transform. So already we saw the problem number 2 in previous videos up to. Then we will continue the problem number 3, the same chapters here. So next problem is find L of t into e power minus 2t into sine 2t. So here is a multiple of e power minus 2t functions and also t functions here. So this one is a shifting properties. This one is a multiple by t form. So first we can write the form of L of sine 2t. Then you can replace s goes to s minus a or s plus a. Next we can differentiate with respect to ds form. This is a very important problem. Why means here is we have two functions given with multiple of the original functions. So first we can write L of t into f of t is minus d by ds of f of s. So first we can find the f of s value. Instead of f of s we can take f of t equal to e power minus 2t sine t. So first we can write what is the formula for sine 2t. So sine 2t is nothing but a divided by s square plus a square form. So here is a is 2, so s square plus 4 form. So next this e power minus 2t can be written as whenever s goes to s plus 2. Here is minus is given, so we can take plus here. So next we can write multiple of t form is d by minus d by ds of the remaining functions. So replace s goes to s plus 2, then we get 2 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 4 with respect to ds. So next you can differentiate with respect to s by using u by v form, or we can take 1 by x square form, whatever thing we can take here. So here is I can take minus 2 outside, then I can take v square is s plus 2 whole square plus 4 whole square. So next I can write with respect to u means differentiation of 2 must be in 0, so 2 into v must be in 0 here. So minus 2 into differentiation of this value we can write 2 times of s plus 2, then differentiation of 4 must be in 0. So therefore answer is, here is we have one minus, here is another minus, so minus of minus must be in plus. So 2 into 2 is 4, so 4 into s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 4, then whole square. So next problem number 4. Find L of 1 minus e power t divided by t. So these are divisible by t form. So already I told here 1 by t means we can take the integrations, s goes to infinity. Multiple of t means we can take the differentiations with respect to s. So here is given is 1 by t. F of t is nothing but 1 minus e power t. So first we can write the given equations. L of 1 minus e power t divided by t equal to the 1 by t I can write integral s to infinity. Then L of 1 minus e power t into ds. Next we can take L of 1 minus L of e power t here. What is L of 1? 1 by s. L of e power t is 1 by s minus 1 with respect to s to infinity with respect to s here. Then integration of 1 by x is nothing but log x. So we can write log s minus integration of 1 by s minus 1 can be written as log of s minus 1. So limit is s goes to infinity. So first we can write, we know the formula for log a minus log b is nothing but log of a by b. So log of a by s minus 1 whenever s goes to s to infinity. So here is when I apply the infinity means log infinity must be infinity form. So in that case we can take s outside here. I can take s here. Then here is I can take s outside. So cancelling s and s, we get 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by s. Next we can apply the limits here. So upper limit is when I put s goes to s means we can write the same functions. Then whenever s goes to infinity means, so 1 by infinity must be in 0. So 1 by 1 is log 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by s. So log 1 must be in 0. Anything by infinity must be in 0. So therefore log of s minus 1. Here is take the LCM here, s minus 1 divided by s, then take the reciprocal, so s by s minus 1. So that implies log of s divided by s minus 1 over to the power of minus 1. Here is we have 1 minus. Then take the reciprocal, we get log of s minus 1 divided by s form. So for this 1 by t is given means we can take compulsory the log function must be present in the integrations. Next one is compute L of sine 4t divided by t. So 1 by t form. So 1 by t means we can write integral s to infinity L of sin 4t into ds. So what is L of sin 4t? So 4 divided by s square plus 16 into ds. Then here is I can take 4 outside. So 1 divided by s square plus 4 square into ds. So we have one formula for this. So dx divided by x square plus a square formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here is x is nothing but s, a is nothing but 4. So 1 by 4 tan inverse of s divided by 4. So limit is s goes to infinity. So here is cancelling 4 and 4. Then we get apply the limit s goes to infinity means tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s goes to s means s by 4. Tan infinity is nothing but pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s by 4. So these are one formula. 90 minus tan theta is can be written as cot inverse of theta. Therefore cot inverse of s by 4. Next problem number 6. Evaluate the Laplace transform of t square of sin 2t. So these are multiple of t square into sin 2t. So you can differentiate with respect to twice here. So t square by t square. Then L of sin at is s by a by s square plus a square form. A is 2. So 2 divided by s square plus 4. So first we can differentiate with respect to u by v form. So d by ds of so v square v into du. Differentiation of 2 must be in 0 minus u. I can write 2 as it is. Differentiation of this value 2 square s square is nothing but 2s. Differentiation of 4 must be in 0. So next we can simplify this one. We get minus 4s divided by s square plus 4 whole square. So again you can using u by v form. So s plus 4 whole power 4. Then s square plus 4 whole square. Differentiation of 4s is minus 4 minus. Again we can write minus 4s here. Then differentiation of this value is 2 times of s square plus 4. Again differentiation of s square is 2s. Then whole divided by s square plus 4 whole power 4. Then simplifying this value, we get s square plus 4 minus 4 times of s square plus 4 plus 16s square. Cancelling one power here. So we get minus 4s square minus 16 plus 16s square divided by s square plus 4 whole cube. Therefore, 12 square minus 16 whole divided by a square plus 4 whole cube. So these are very important 8 mark questions. So next we can go through the problem number 7. Evaluate the Laplace transform of t square into e power 2t cos 2t. So already I told here is here 2 function is given, multiple of e power 2t then multiple of t square. One is shifting theorem, one is multiple by t form. So first we can omit the shifting theorem here whenever s goes to s plus a, but here is plus is given, s goes to s minus a. So first we can write t square in terms of d square by d square, then cos 2t whenever s goes to s minus 2. Therefore s divided by s square plus 4, then replace s in terms of s minus 2. So after the replacing we get, so here is we get s minus 2 then divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 4. So next by u by v form we can apply the solution for this. So first we can write in terms of, after the simplifications by u by v form, the final answer must be we will get 2s into s square minus 12 divided by s square plus 4 whole cube. So then after we can replace s goes to s minus 2. Finally we can replace s goes to s minus 2 by using first shifting theorem. So finally we can replace whenever s goes to s minus 2, whenever s goes to s minus 2, then simplifying this one we get the final required answers we will get. So this is a very important one. First we can shifting the theorem, then after we can differentiate with respect to ds form. Then evaluate Laplace transform of cos t minus cos 2t divided by t form. So this is a 1 by t form, but function must be in cos t minus cos 2. Two values are given. So 1 by 1 we can write. What is L of cos t? S divided by s square plus 1. Here is a is 1. L of cos 2t means s divided by s square plus 1. Here is a is 2. So divided by t means we can write integral s goes to infinity. Then with respect to L of f of t into ds. Then already told the logarithmic function we can use x divided by x square plus a square. The formula is 1 by a into log of x square plus a square form. Here is a is 1. So 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 1 plus again integration of log form. So 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 4. The formula is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is 1 by 2 into log of x square plus a square form. So next log a minus log b form. So I can take log of s square plus 1 divided by s square plus 4. So limit s goes to infinity. So here is we can take s outside, again s square outside, cancelling these two. Y means anything by infinity must be in 0. Don't put as it is here. If you are putting s goes to infinity means the whole thing must be in infinity. This is an undetermined form. So we can replace 1 by s square form method here. Y means anything by infinity must be 0. For using that purpose we can write taking s square outside here. So next applying the limit s goes to infinity. So here is anything by 0, anything by 0 is 1. So here is 1, here is 1. So log 1 by 1 is 1. The log of s goes to s means we can require the same result here. Then log of 1 minus log of 1 divided by 1 plus s square, then 1 plus 4 divided by s square. So log 1 is 0, then remaining term we can write as it is. Then take the LCM here. So minus 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 1 whole divided by s square plus 4. Here is minus is given means take the reciprocal. 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 1. This is a very important 8 mark questions. So be careful here. The question is log of, that is L of cos t minus cos 2t divided by t. Divided by t form is we can take s goes to infinity. That is limits form. Okay, be careful here. Thank you.